Hi guys, Retro Django here. Today we are going to make a quick video about my Xbox. The original one, the one that came out back in the PlayStation 2 time. So, it's 20 years old, and as you can see down here, I have got 5 joypads for the Xbox One, and I have these big ones over here, but also these smaller ones that have a better grip here. Really like them. And I have got this transparent one where you can see the vibration motors inside when they turn around. I like it. Big joypads. They weren't that popular back then because they were too big when when this machine came out, and then the S versions came out. Much more ergonomic. But yeah, I just want to show my Xbox. As I can see, as you can see, I have games, I have programs, emulators, um, stuff like that. But we are going to go to games, and I have played Burnout. Absolutely love Burnout, and as I can see, my save games are from 2003. So yeah, a lot of memories. Almost 20 years old. Baldur's Gate, Dark Alliance, great RPG game. Batman, Black, Burnout Revenge. Absolutely love that game. It's such an amazing game to play, guys. What more? Call of Duty 2, Close Combat, Commandos, Crash Nitro, Dead or Alive, Far Cry, oh great, FIFA Street, Forza. Forza was exclusive for the Xbox. I think it's still only for Xbox. Freedom Fighters, really love that game. James Bond, GoldenEye, GTA 3. It was just all over the place back then, man. It was so popular. Also Vice City, San Andreas. Oh, that one was great, man. Gun. Oh, this is GTA in Western times. Really nice gameplay. Try it. I mean, Halo was just an amazing accomplishment back then, and Halo 2. What a nice game. You could have dual guns, and don't get me started about Halo, man. It's just such a nice game. Jedi Knight, Jedi Academy. Wow. Have to play this now. Knockout Kings. I'm not into sports games, but Knockout Kings series, I started with PlayStation 1. Love it. Kung Fu Chaos. Max Payne with Bullet Time. Mercenaries, Shaolin Monks, Narc. Need for Speed 2. Ninja Gaiden, Black. This game was really popular. Never tried it. I'm gonna try it someday. What I actually did was, how was it, man? I could borrow games, and I could use this one, DVD to Xbox. So I could just put in a game CD, a game DVD, whatever, and just click on copy, and my beautiful Xbox here, it could just copy the whole game into the hard disk. Of course, it's modded. It has got a chip inside, and I mean, back then I paid a lot of money for that. I don't remember. It has, I don't know how many gigabyte hard disk, but as you can see, a lot of games, guys. And I borrowed games, and I just, also the CDs that I owned back then, the games on CDs, I just copied them into the hard drive because the loading time, we're gonna take a look at the loading time in a minute. So fast. I mean, all the CDs are just gone, and this is just, I used to love this system, and as I can see, about 2003, it all got packed away. So, yeah, now in 2021, is it a nice machine to buy? Is it a nice machine to collect for? Now, let me tell you one thing, guys. These Xboxes, when they're up for sale, as just a normal Xbox, they cost peanuts, really. and nobody wants to buy them. And there are other type of Xbox ads. Let's call this original Xbox, whatever. And that is actually the modded ones. And you know, when these are modded, they cost, oh, Star Wars Republic Commando, great game. Yeah, modded versions, they cost peanuts also. But as you can see, when they're modded, dash, chipped, you can install a lot of games. You can install emulators. I remember I had some friends that were just going ape is about this. They emulated Nintendo and Amiga and Sega and all sort of stuff, man. It was just great stuff. So, oh, we are going to load this one. Let me just scroll down first. So today, still for peanuts, you can buy these consoles so cheap and with a big hard disk and just pump. Oh, Lord of the Rings, this one was great, man. The Two Towers, yeah, they're just pumped up with a lot of games, emulators. I think in 2021, for the price these goes for, it's just a no-brainer, man. I'm telling you, it Worms 3D, that was fun. You're getting so much gameplay for the price. Let's see here, Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic 2, guys. I mean, look, I just pressed and this game, you can hear the hard disk is loading, but yeah, alright. Wow, man. I mean, it's just connected with RCA cables, nothing, you know, no mods has done with the video out, nothing like that. Oh, that's just...
The old Republic is crippled. They can do nothing to
sad about the Old Republic. I haven't tried Knights of the Old Republic 1, but I played this one back then. Knights of the Old Republic 2. I'm telling you guys, this game, if you're into Star Wars, if you're into RPG, this is just, oh, I love it, man. Just quit this video, go ahead and get this game, the second part here, and just play it, man. It's such a nice game. Okay, so this is Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic game that has a trailer for the game.
The highly anticipated sequel to the 2003 Game of the Year, Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic 2, The Sith Lords.
Okay, so we have a game that has a trailer for itself. Nice. Great, man. Alright, guys, this was just a short video. Oh, man. December 27th, 2003. Oh, man. Yeah. Time goes by, man. It is what it is. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope this video inspired you to go ahead and take a look at these original Xboxes, because I really don't understand why they're so cheap. Because you just get so much for your money, man. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for supporting me on Patreon. I'm gonna play some Star Wars now, and I hope I will see you on my next video. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye.